Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log into your Barclays bank account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in Barclays bank login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link bank.barclays.co.uk. Click on that first link. Now again you will be taken to the new interface, which is the login page of Barclays. Scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the login form. Guys, you can either log in with your membership number or your card number or your sort code and account number. For now I'm going for membership number. Guys, you need to enter your last name over here. Similarly, click on the membership number of double code. And click on the remember my last name and login method for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. And once you click on login button, you'll be easily access your account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.